What's up, you guys? Hey, I'm back with another video. Excuse all the craziness in the background. I'm actually in my camper, but today we're gonna be finessing this two-piece short outfit that I got from Goodwill. I'm only cutting the shorts, not the top, but anyway, let's get it. The first thing you want to do is try your shorts on. And that is how you're going to know where to make your cut. I used a pin to mark where my cut was going to be. You just want to remember to leave an inch or two for seam allowance when you're cutting, and just cut straight across. And you should have something like this. And because my shorts were way too big for me, I'm going to use my tape measurement to take my waist measurement, and I'm going to divide that by 2. So it was 32 divided by 2, which gave me 16. Yeah, that's right. But anyway, you're just gonna take that measurement and just measure out 16, and I'm just gonna mark with my pins, and that is where I'm gonna make my cut. Okay, so I had to cut out my pockets, which made me really sad. But yeah, so I just pin each side down, and I'm just gonna sew where my pins are. Okay. So now I'm gonna make my top. I removed the bottom hem, and since the pieces were like too short, I had to combine them to make them longer, and that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm making a tube top. So I just took my chest measurement, divide that by 2, and use that measurement to cut out a piece that was long enough for my tube top. So you should have something like this, and I went ahead and just pinned the sides together, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna sew where my pins are. So boom, I went ahead and just already did the hem. I'm actually gonna add elastic, so you just want to make sure your tunnel is big enough to fit your elastic, and all I did was just like a fold hem and just pinned all around. And I also did the same thing at the bottom of my pants, just to give it a more clean finished look. So yeah, I'm just sewing it down. I did a zigzag stitch for the hem, and you should have something like this. Okay, so now I'm gonna add my elastic. I just got a safety pin on one end. I'm gonna pin the other end to my top. And when you're sewing your tunnel, make sure you leave an opening so you can feed your elastic through, and you're just gonna sew that down when you get done. So you should have something like this. Super cute and simple. And boom, that is how it turned out. Yo, this only cost me $3.99, and I just love it. It turned out really cute. But yeah, that is it, you guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time. Peace.